Wow, that was aggressive. Okay, making your bed with one hand is really hard. I don't know about you guys, but this lockdown has been making me feel really fucking ugly and I don't really know what to do with myself. So I thought what better way to spend my day than do a self-care day, because we all need that, especially at these times of high stress. I'm excited. Self-care, self-love, that's something I don't experience. Whenever I have my self-care days, I always like to start my day off with eating something or drinking something that I've been craving or just makes me feel good. So I'm starting off the day with a matcha soy. This is my favorite drink from Starbucks. And I was like, a bitch is not gonna spend $6 on a Starbucks drink for like this instead of just milk and matcha. So I've been learning to make it on my own. My ice machine broke, so don't kill me that it's not ice. I put it in the fridge so it's cold, but it's just like, I know it looks weird, but it's nothing I can do about it. I can't really just make ice. And last night I made peanut butter and chocolate chia pudding, and it looks nasty. I know it does look nasty, but it tastes pretty good, and I'm like, healthy, you know, but it's still chocolate and peanut butter, so it's just like, it's a nice balance. But usually I'm not this healthy. I've been on like a health kick lately. If I'm feeling like a sugary cereal or literally anything like a donut or like fried chicken or something, I will eat it. It's just right now I'm feeling healthy, but don't feel bad if you're not eating like chia pudding and matcha soy in the morning, you know. Self-care to me is not giving a fuck what other people think and just doing what you want. So that means having a solo dance party. I have a solo dance party in probably a lot of my videos, and I know you guys are sick of it, but I really like having these. It really makes me feel just fun and just, you know, kind of let loose, get all the stress out of me. If you want to have a more groovy dance party, then I recommend Emotional Oranges. Or if you're going for like a, I want to shake my ass and feel hot, then I recommend Megan Thee Stallion, Doja Cat, Rico Nasty, you know, the golden trio. Maybe throw a TikTok dance or two in there. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna feel crazy. But yes, let's do this. Now I'm gonna start working out, and I really don't want to because I hate working out, but it must be done. I feel like right now we're constantly reminded of our mortality and that we can't survive everything and life is too short. So, and I mean, it would be great to have abs after this. The workout I'm doing today is Chloe Ting's 10-minute ab workout, and I've been doing it for a couple of days and I really like it so far, so wish me luck. I first also have to put my hair in braids or something because I cannot have my hair like this. Done with the workout. I'm dead. Also, if you notice this red spot on my nose, my record from up there fell on my face last night. It was the scariest thing ever, and it hit me right in the nose. So yeah, maybe if it broke it, I can get a nose job. Whenever I use duct tape, it reminds me of the days where I used to make duct tape wallets, and honestly that was a simpler time. I'm gonna go take a shower now because I just filmed and I feel disgusting. I'm not really sure why. I just feel like shit. So I'm gonna first take off my makeup. Done. Is it a fucking self-care video if I don't take a bath? I just don't really like taking baths. It's just not my thing. I don't feel very relaxed when I do it. I feel like I'm just in my own filth. But maybe it's because I have a really ugly bathtub and it's just, I don't feel great in there, and all I have are these expired bath bombs, and the only two that are gone were from my sister. I never use these. I think I've literally had these for like 3 years. Anyways, I'm gonna go take a shower because warm, hot showers just give me that like, you know, I'm out of the shower and now I'm gonna wash my face. And yes, I just changed it to another white oversized t-shirt because self-care is staying in your PJs all day. I was gonna exfoliate my face, but then I found out that this is actually really bad for your skin, so I'm just gonna normal cleanse it because I don't have another exfoliator. I just realized I accidentally showered with my contacts in. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to do that, so sorry. It's definitely not a self-care video if I don't do a face mask. So I'm doing this mud mask and I'm excited because I'm pretty sure it's pink. That kind of looks really nasty. And now I'm gonna put on this Laneige. Is that how you say it? I don't really know. It's a lip sleeping mask, and this stuff is magic. You just need a little bit. While this is doing whatever it's supposed to do to my face, I'm going to moisturize my body, and I'm using this coconut body butter from Trader Joe's. This stuff smells like coconut candy, and it's literally magical. It is so nice on your skin, especially when your skin's a little bit damp from like the shower and it's kind of like melting into your skin. I wish I could get high off of this. I even like to put a little on my neck so then my neck smells good too. I can't talk or do anything. was a bitch to take off. And now I'm gonna do a Korean skincare routine because that's bougie if you ask me. And I don't even know if that face mask was good for me because now I have these spots. This is snail essence. And there we go. Hello? I'm now gonna end off my day by journaling. I feel like journaling is such an amazing way to end your day. It really helps you reflect on your feelings and your decisions that day, and even though I did nothing today, I'm pretty excited to, you know, journal because journaling about nothing also helps me a lot because I can just brain dump everything that's on my brain, and it's amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a very stressful day today, even though I was doing a self-care video. I was filming 3 other videos too, so that was fun for me. But I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next time. Bye!